Thomas, wake up. It's 7 o'clock.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
See you in the next easy English lesson. Bye for now. No, you said that 5 minutes ago.
I'm so tired, Misa. I slept really late.
I know. You were on your laptop again.
I had to finish some things.
Well, look, I made your coffee already.
Really? You made coffee for me?
Yes, hot and ready on the table.
You are the best. Truly.
Come on, sleepyhead, get up now.
Okay, I'm getting up. Slowly.
That's my husband. A new day.
We can do it together, right? Always.
Now come and sit down. Something smells amazing in here. I made scrambled eggs and toast.
And coffee too?
Of course. Hot coffee is always ready. Yeah.
Perfect. You know I love mornings like this.
Here you go. Careful, it's very hot.
Thank you. These eggs taste so good.
I'm glad. Do you want some fruit?
What do you have?
Apple or orange? Your choice.
Just a few apple slices, please.
Good idea. I'll have some too.
Let's eat together then.
Yes. Eating with you makes mornings better.
I agree completely.
Do you have your keys and wallet?
Yes, I have everything. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll be home soon.
Good. It will be cold later today.
Really?
Yes. Please take your jacket.
Oh, you're right. I almost forgot.
Here it is.
Thank you, Misa. What would I do?
You'd forget your jacket, probably.
Probably yes.
Probably yes. Do you need anything from the store?
Maybe some milk and bread?
Okay. I'll text you if we need more.
Perfect. I'll grab them before coming home.
Drive safe, Thomas.
I will. See you tonight.
See you tonight, love. Have a great day. Hello, love. How is your day going?
Hi. Busy, but okay.
Busy how?
I just finished a long meeting.
Oh, good. That's done then.
Finally, yes.
Did you have lunch already?
Yes. I had a sandwich at my desk.
Okay. Good. I'm happy you ate something.
Don't worry about me.
That's my job, Thomas.
And you're very good at it.
Don't forget the milk and bread.
Already on my list.
Perfect. See you soon.
See you soon. Thank you for today.
Always. Come home safe.
I will. Always.